Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And we're going to do a real brief walkthrough here of a 2019 Solstice 240 with a 300 horsepower Merc outboard and a power tower. This boat is being sold without the trailer, but I do have trailers available for it. All right, so under 100 freshwater hours on this boat. It was owned locally here in the Dallas Metroplex. So it does have the bow filler seat. This is removable, so you can take it off if people want to go out the front, but most people tend to leave these in. Upgraded JL audio sound system, so extra subwoofers, amplifiers, tower speakers, flip down armrests. This is going to have the total lighting package in it, so this boat's going to have LED lights in your cup holders, in your speakers, under the seat bases, in the water sports tower, underwater in the back, and under rub rail. So everywhere lighting is available from the factory, this is going to have them. Great storage built into the chase lounge. If you wanted to put an additional changing room, that's what these holes are for. It's pre-drilled. It just bolts in, that way it'll open up. As I said, this does have a power tower, so this tower is push button controlled. I have the canvas taken down for the off season, but the canvas in the back will come up over to here, and then the forward bimini can unzip and come back and zip to this also. So in a 26-foot boat, you can have about 24 foot of shade, which is done really well. In-floor ski locker, 5-inch Simrad, all of your controls over here. This boat does have Mercury active trim, so your tilt and trim is done automatically for you, at least while you're underway. L-bench seating in the back. Flip-flop backrest. This is hands down the most popular floor plan out there still to this day from Harris. Back here on the business end of the boat, 300 horsepower Mercury makes this a mid 40 mile an hour pontoon boat. Flip over swim seat, that'll flip down underneath the surface, make it easy to get in and out of the water. Or if you have dogs or pets, no easier way to get them in and out of the water. It does have safety rail on the back, which is important. So if you want to sit back here while you're watching kids on the tubes or skis, you got to have safety fencing to make that legal. And then this one also has a powered ladder that's push button controlled to raise and lower your ladder, as well as a ski tow bar back here if you don't want to use the tower. So really, really well optioned boat. This model has always been one of the top selling luxury pontoon boats here in the Metroplex. So if you're interested in this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'd love to talk to you.